Hello guys, welcome back to Freeq. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the sharing tab not visible in the properties of a folder. So before going further, consider subscribing because you never know when you need a hack. So let's begin. So first of all, let me show you the properties, and here you can see the sharing tab is not available. So I'm going to show you how you can fix this by method 1. So head over to the start, then type regedit or registry editor. uh, in registry editor, go to the directory displayed on the screen. Under property sheet handlers, you have to create a new key and call it sharing. Under that, change the default value to the value I have given in the description, and you have to close the registry editor and restart your PC. After restarting, when you go to the properties, the sharing tab is now available. So if the first method does not work on you, you can try out the second method. As you can see, the sharing tab is not available after the first method. So what I'm going to do, you have to go again in registry editor, then head over to the directory displayed on the screen. Here, computer HK local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, shell extensions, and in their blocked. In this block folder, you have to find the key of the code that you have previously typed in the first method. So what you have to do is delete this string and restart your computer. That's all you have to do, and the sharing tab should be available. So guys, after restarting, let me go to the properties folder and show you that the sharing tab is now available here. So the problem is now solved. Hope this fix applies to you, and thank you for watching. Consider subscribing and like and share this video. Peace out.